In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a budget in Rocket Money with this step-by-step tutorial. Whether you're new to budgeting or simply looking for a more streamlined way to manage your finances, Rocket Money provides an intuitive platform that's not only easy to use but also customizable to fit your personal needs. So let's dive in and get you set up. To start, you'll want to visit the Rocket Money website and head directly to the dashboard. The dashboard is essentially the command center for your financial activities on Rocket Money. Getting comfortable with navigating this section will make your budgeting process smooth and efficient. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll need to look for the option to add a new budget. You can typically find this under a section labeled budgets or something similar, depending on your interface. Clicking this option is the first crucial step to setting up your financial goals and keeping track of your spending. Next, you'll be faced with a list of categories from which you can select the area you want to budget for. This step is particularly important because it allows you to customize your budgeting according to specific spending habits or upcoming financial goals. It could be anything from groceries and dining to entertainment and travel. Select the category that aligns with your financial objective, or perhaps one where you feel you need to monitor your spending more closely. Now, it's time to determine the amount you wish to allocate for this budget. You'll need to carefully type in the figure that sits comfortably within your financial means, yet still allows you to save consistently. Remember, the amount you decide on should be realistic and sustainable over time. It's always a good idea to review your past spending patterns to help determine an appropriate figure. Once you type in your amount, Rocket Money will take care of everything else by auto-saving your entry. This auto-save function is incredibly convenient as it ensures nothing is lost should you need to step away or if there's a disruption. Your budget details are saved in real time, so you can leave the platform and come back to find everything just as you left it. And there you have it, the simple yet effective steps to setting up a budget in Rocket Money. Following these steps will surely grant you more control over your spending while facilitating smarter financial decisions. Feel free to explore other features within Rocket Money once your budget is set, such as tracking your progress or adjusting your budget as your financial situation changes. Remember, effective budgeting is about consistency and adaptation, so return to your dashboard regularly to stay on top of your goals. Thank you for joining and take the next step towards financial empowerment with Rocket Money today.